And today, I am going to make one of my favorite Haitian breakfasts. Like, it's the morning time, the birds are chirping. I am super hyped. I'm going to make Haitian hot chocolate, Haitian chocolat. And let me tell you something. Once you have this hot chocolate, this Haitian hot chocolate, regular hot chocolate will never be the same. Let's get started. Alright guys, so let me start by showing you guys the ingredients. Alright guys, so here I have the start of this recipe, and it's about 3 1/4 pieces of unrefined cacao, and it's about this size. I have a pretty small palm. It's about 2.5 inches. And guys, let me tell you, this smells amazing. I have 3 cinnamon sticks, about 2.5 pieces of star anise, 6 slices of ginger, because the spices really bring out the flavor, a pinch of salt. I have 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a cup of sugar, 1 can of evaporated milk, and 4 cups of water. Alright guys, so here I have my pot. I'm going to turn my heat on medium-low. And first I'm going to add the water. I'm going to add the chocolate. Ooh, I'm so excited. I haven't had this in a while, guys. Cinnamon stick, star anise, ginger, and of course the pinch of salt. Now you want to let this boil for about 15 to 20 minutes until the chocolate is thoroughly melted, and you also want to stir it occasionally. So I'll show you guys that process once it starts boiling. Alright guys, so the chocolate is melted, and this is how it should look after it finished boiling. Look at that. This is like liquid gold. Look at how beautiful this chocolate is. So I'm gonna give this one quick stir, and what you want to do is strain it into a bowl. So guys, as you can see here, this is the leftover chocolate grounds, and you don't want that in your hot chocolate. So I'm going to dump this, and now I am going to strain this right back into the pot. Okay. We are going to turn our heat back on medium low. Actually, we're gonna turn it on low, then we can add the milk and the sugar. So we're going to add our 1 can of carnation milk. Guys, by the way, this chocolate is smelling up the whole house. It smells amazing. And then you want to give this a stir. And let this boil for about 5 to 10 minutes. And also, you want to make sure that you are continuing to stir occasionally. Alright guys, so it's been about 10 minutes. I'm going to turn my heat off and add the vanilla extract. Give that a quick stir. Look at this. And it's done. So I'm gonna put this in a cup and show you guys the final product. Alright guys, guys, so this is the final product. This is my Haitian hot chocolate. I can't wait to have this with some bread on the side. And guys, like, this is the French cacao I use from Haiti, so you know it's real. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching Cooking with Mimi. I definitely enjoyed making this video. I can't wait to have this hot chocolate. It's a little hot right now. Can't wait to have it with some bread. I hope that you guys enjoy this recipe. And please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time on Cooking with Mimi.